box is already cut. Tape everywhere. Okay, similar to the other one, the frame is on top, not on the bottom. Looks like there's a piece that goes down into the box, and there's also, what are they called?
Zip ties.
No, what, there's this
The stakes, yeah, stakes are strapped on there. Instructions. There's a barcode to download the app.
What video assembly instructions?
There's a barcode for the video instructions, yep.
And there is a big piece of cardboard to hold the frame. It's a flaps facing down. Next layer is 2 more pieces of the frame, bent 45 degrees.
I think actually those are supports for
Supports.
the skeleton itself.
Okay. And there's another layer of flat cardboard. Looks like a Tetris piece. No bent pieces. And now we actually see the skeleton. So it looks like there's a couple of buffer pieces of cardboard. There's an empty one here in the corner. There's one just flat corner piece.
Okay.
And then there's a piece that's actually supporting one of the leg bones.
Yeah.
And then based on the other one, this is probably the head
Yeah.
in the box in the other
And
corner.
that white box in there is probably the electronics
yeah.
power.
So what looks like it. Maybe the hips. Yeah. So hips are in the corner here. Looks like they connect in. Or pelvis, I guess we should say. And then the arms are sort of inside the rib cage.
Yeah.
See in there?
Yep.
This leg bone is just laying here, like I said, on that support. Yeah. Yep, the adapter is in this white box. The other leg bones are also inside the rib cage. So there's three pieces.
Okay.
The legs are split into 4. And then the feet are on the bottom. And then the rib cage. So the neck is between. There's protection on the bottom of the spine, but the neck is between the head box and this corner.
Yep.
It's cardboard. There's a sensor apparently. There's also like a weird one tiny protective piece of cardboard around the ribs. So I think that's the majority of it, and then
Yeah, I would say.
the head here, which is not open.
Okay.
Here's the slicer. You want me to show the head?
Yeah, all the pieces have letters. They're marked with letters.
So you might want to use permanent marker or your label maker. I'm not sure how long those will last.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh yeah, he's creepy. Reflective demon eyes. Okay, so there's one. This is glued onto the box, but that's under the jaw.
Okay.
He's really in there. Oh, it's not glued. I thought it was.